So if that's anywhere in camera, we were servicing this Binatone 5-star. I've not heard anybody on it today. We're plugged into the aerial. We've got the extension speaker on this switch. Ha! Thought we had. Oh, we got it plugged in. Yeah, I've got it on. Where's that going? It's there. I've got it in PA speaker. So this is as good as it gets. This is a box set. There is the factory original mic in the box. We're going to run with the standard replacement mic for now, and at the end we'll go through with the factory original to the base station. You get the bigger speaker on these. Tango 21.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger Dodger, right, I am ready.
Speaker already plugged in.
Roger, on this radio we can switch it in and out from the front panel.
Oh, right. Okay. Right, off we go.
Roger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
And on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so heading up the lane towards the end of it now, passing in place and Doggy Daycare.
Roger on that.
Right, coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. End of the lane.
Roger.
Lancaster service station, and it's closed.
I'm not surprised we're a bit late.
Roger. Passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that. Roger got you out the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger on that, got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
Roger on that. Got you loud and clear going around Scratchy Corner at Wheelsford. I'm gonna
Binatone 5 star for 1981. It's Cybernet 134. What's your version of the chassis? And doing full 1000. I'm on the Thunderpole question mark over.
Yep, roger that. All received. No problems.
Roger. Roger, got you going over for level crossing.
Roger.
Roger, got you at the Celtic turn.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point, and of course it's noisier than it was in winter. So I'm doing full forward output, the radio's going 1.1 amps, standard replacement mic, and here we go to low power, 54329. There we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problem on full power. Low power had to override the squelch and you weren't legible really, so there you go.
Now how it's going to be. Right, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
Right, we're square wheeled for the level crossing. Barriers have just gone down as well, so I could be here a minute or two.
Roger on that, got you square with the level crossing.
Don't think it's a steel train because I'm sure I heard that go earlier at Sudbrook.
Roger. Just kind of talk in the hope of keeping the camera in sync.
Yeah, roger that. Pet peeve while I'm sat here. Range Rover in front of me, you know, sat on the brakes. Now I know some modern cars it automatically applies, but can't you just put it in park while the train's coming?
Yeah, roger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yeah, it's the usual 154.9 and 185.7.
Roger that, that works absolutely fine, thank you very much. And
Roger that, 1010.
21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price at that end today, please, over?
Yeah, it's the usual 54.9 and 185.7.
Roger on that, that works absolutely fine, thank you very much, and 1010.
Roger that, 1010.
Okay, we'll go over to our base station and we will also try the factory original mic, which just about still has the plastic on it. Now you can tell the difference between the original mics. I've got a metal hang-up and it says Japan there, whereas you find the ones which have had a later label put on will be the plastic type, which don't say anything there. So there you go.
Tango 21, testing the Binatone 5-star with our standard replacement mic. Now we'll move over to the, oh, I'll do with the low power first, just as a hum test. There we are on low power, just in case there's a hum, but there won't be. And they're back to full power. Now we'll go over to the Binatone original mic. Tango 21, testing on the factory original mic. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, we'll go to low power.